In this video, we will learn about formula and the factorization by using this formula. Basically, you have to memorize this formula like that: a square minus b square. If they have given this thing, then the formula is equal to a minus b, a plus b. The meaning of this formula is that you will check the first term is a whole square of something, and the second term is also whole square of something, and in between we have minus sign. Then the formula will take the form first term plus second term, but you will write them without square, right? First term plus second term multiply by first term plus minus second term. So one time you will write the sign minus between them, and second time you will write the sign plus between them. So formula will take this form: a minus b, a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, right? How you will memorize this formula? First term whole square of something, second term is a whole square of something, then you can write it first term minus second term multiplied by first term plus second term. Or in word form you can say a square minus b square. First term is whole square of a, second term is whole square of b. Then we can write it one time between them we have sign minus, and then we have sign plus between them. A minus b multiplied by a plus b. When you will apply this formula you can get it. I am just tell you how you will memorize this formula, right? Now we will do the question like that: x square minus 9. They will give you only this term, this thing, and they will say factorize this one. So you will check whether first of all, whenever this type of question is given, you will check between them we have sign minus. So we will go towards this formula. And then second step I will check whether first term is a whole square of something and second term is also a whole square of something, right? Check which term these are whole square. So first term is a whole square of x, second term is a whole square of 3. 3 multiplied by 3 gives you 9 answer. So this is the form of x square minus b square, right? So I will write here x minus 3 first time and multiply by x plus 3. Between them you will write the signs plus and minus, but you will write them without square here. A square minus b square form, and then you will write a minus b into a plus b. So in this way we will apply this formula. This is so simple if you will get it. Second example, x square minus 64. First term is the whole square of x, second term is a whole square of 8. So I can write it x minus 8, x plus 8, and that will be our answer, right? Similarly, one question is like that: x square minus 144. You will check x is whole square of x, it's okay, minus 144 is a whole square of 12. 12 whole square will give you 144. So they will get the form a square minus b square. So I will write here a minus b into a plus b. Here a is x and b is 12, right? So I will write x minus 12 and x plus 12. Another question will be like that: x square minus 100. So what I will do, first term is a whole square of x, second term is a whole square of 10. So I can write here x minus 10, x plus 10, right? So this is the application of a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. And you can easily solve this question. This question has only 2 steps. First of all, check whether they are whole square of something, 2 terms, and between 2 terms we have sign of negative. So at once, the next step, without thinking any other thing, you will write here a plus b, meaning first term minus second term and first term plus second term. So this is the application of this formula. Next is, if we have to do the factorization of the quadratic expression of this thing, like we have coefficient of x square, in place of 1 we have something coefficient of x square, 2, 3, 4, whatever other constant. So what we will do, the same thing we will do which we have done in the previous questions with the coefficient of 1 here. In this case, first first step is that you have to multiply c by the coefficient of x square, which I have multiplied. I get the answer 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Now next step is that I will make the possible factors of 6, and I will choose those factors of 6 whose subtraction, because here is the sign of minus, so those factors I will choose whose subtraction will give me plus 5, right? You can see 2 plus 3, if I will add them they will give me 5x, but if I will split it in 2x plus 3x, then I will go to the wrong direction, because this is not the rule. Rule is that if the sign of c is minus, then after splitting this expression you will choose those factors whose subtraction will give you plus 5, right? So I choose 6 and 1 and then make the factors and do the simplification. It's too easy. Next is, again the coefficient of x square is something instead of 1, so 4 multiplied by 1 will give you 4. Make possible factors of 4, which I have made here, and this minus sign will tell me that I will choose those factors whose subtraction will give me 3. So 4 subtraction 1 will give me 3. So I split up it here and then making the pairs of this and pair of this. From this pair I will take 4x common, and I have left x and plus 1 here. And from this pair I will take minus 1 is common, and I have left x plus 1. So I have done further thing, take the common x plus 1, and I have left 4x in first place and minus 1 in second place. Next is similar like that, multiply 3 and 2, it will give you 6, and 1 multiplied by 6, here is the plus sign, so I will choose those factors whose addition will give me 7x. So it's simple, you will write 6x plus 1x. From first pair you will take 2x as common, I have left x plus 3 here, and from second pair I will take 1 as common. If there is nothing you can take common, you can take 1 as common, because 1 is multiplied by every number. So I will take 1 as common, and further from these two terms you can check, I can take x plus 3 as common. I have taken, in first term I have left 2x, and in second place I have left plus 1. So in this way they are going to simplify. And in this question you will check 6 will multiply by 2, it will give you 12, and I am taking the possible factors. I will choose that factor whose subtraction, because minus sign is here, so whose subtraction will give me plus 1. So I am choosing 4 and 3. When I write here, from first pair I will take 2x as common, here it is left 3x plus 2, and from second pair you can take minus 1 as common, and you have left 3x plus 2. From these two you will take 3x plus 2 as common, and in first place you have left 2x, and in second place you have left minus 1. So this is the simplification of this. These are the basically questions for higher tier GCSE mathematics. These questions, they are repeat in your exams. Here 6 and 10 will multiply with each other and it will give you 60. I make all the possible factors of 60 here, right? But I will choose those factors of 60. This sign minus will show me that I will select those factors whose subtraction, because here is negative sign, So subtraction of the factors, their answer is minus 11. So you will double check here. 1 plus 60 subtraction gives you 59, 28, it will give you 17, it will give you, if I will subtract 15 and 4, they will give me 11, and I will choose the sign of minus 15 plus 11 because here it is minus sign. So I split 11 minus 11 into minus 15 plus 4. Then I take common from these first pair. 3y is common, so I have left 2y minus 5 here, and in second pair I will take 2 as common. I have left 2y minus 5. From both these I will take 2y minus 5 again common, and I have left 3y here and plus 2 here. So in this way you can solve this question. So easy. Next is you have 12 square minus 11 and plus 2. 12 multiplied by 2 will give you 24. You will write all possible factors and choose that factor whose addition, because here the sign of plus c is plus, so I will choose those factors whose addition will give me minus 11. So 8 plus 3 will give you 11, but with negative sign because I need minus 11, right? So I split minus 11 into like that. From first two terms make the pair and take 4n as common. You have left 3n minus 2 in first place, and from here you will take minus 1 as common, so you have left 3n minus 2 here. Again 3n minus 2 from these two pairs, and you have left 4n here and minus 1 here, and this is our solution, right? Another form of this question is like that. 20 and this, you will multiply 20 by 14, it will give you 280. I have written all the possible factors starting from 1 2 4 7 5 6 7 8 up till 10. Then I will choose those factors. This minus sign will tell me which factors I will choose. So I will choose those factors whose subtraction, minus sign will give me whose subtraction will give me that. I will choose those factors. This minus sign will show me I will choose those factors whose subtraction will give me 27. So I'm going to choose it is subtraction. It's subtraction too much, it's subtraction too much, it's subtraction too much, but subtraction of 8 and 35 will give me 27, right? So I choose this factor, but which sign I will take with the greater value? Plus sign. Plus 35 minus 8, it will give me plus 27. Now from first pair I will take 5x as common, and I have left 4x plus 7. From second pair I will take minus 2 as common, and I have left this one. Further I will take common 4x plus 7, and I have these factors. And this part again 49 multiplied by 1, it will give you 49. Or write all the possible factors of 49, and you will choose those factors whose addition will give you 14x. So 7 multiplied by 7 is 49, and when you will add 7 plus 7, it will give you 14x. So I split up 14 into 7x plus 7x. From first two pairs you will take 7x as common, and you have left 7x plus 1, and from second pair you will take 1 as common, and you have left 7x plus 1. Again you will take 7x plus 1 as common. In first place you have left 7x, and in second place you have left plus 1. And this is the last question. We have given this one. I will multiply 25 with 9, and I get 225. I write all the possible factors of 225 like that, and this plus sign will show me I will choose those factors whose addition will give me minus 30. So I will choose 15 at 50 with negative sign because here is negative sign, right? Then I will take from this 5x as common. I have left this one, and from this I will take 3 minus 3 as common, and I have left this one. Take 5x minus 3 common again, and you have left 5x and minus 3 here. So this is the factorization of these type of questions when the coefficient of x square or y square is not 1, it is something except 1. Then the procedure is same as we have done previously, but you have to know which type of factors or which factors you will select, either addition or multiplication. Procedure is same. Hopefully you get it.